And now, your weather update with Chief Forecaster Beckett Weather Channel. Long time no see. Hello everyone, Chief Weather Forecaster Beckett Webb here inside the Highland Weather Studios. Happy Tuesday. Thank you guys so much for tuning in here. We have a lot to get to. We have a weather alert day currently in effect for today. So let's go ahead and get started with the latest weather headlines, starting off with thunderstorms return this afternoon into tonight. We can also see a massive cool down late week. We'll get to that in just a moment. We can also see threat for severe weather today, and temperatures warm up early. Well, that's supposed to say temperatures warm up early next week after that massive cool down we'll see. We'll get to that in just a moment. Let's go to here and take a look at today's hourly forecast. Starting off the morning at 9 a.m., we can see mostly sunny skies at 67 degrees. Temperatures will warm up into the lower 70s around 11 a.m., with mostly sunny skies still continuing. Those cloud cover will increase around 1 p.m., about 77 degrees. We'll possibly see the lower 80s around 3 to 5 p.m. Mostly sunny skies again, 79 all the way from 3 through 5 p.m. Then we see those mostly clear skies again at the 9 p.m. hour, with temperatures at 72 degrees. Looking at today and tonight's forecast here, today's forecast calls for temperatures about 78 degrees, partly sunny with scattered thunderstorms. Thunderstorms continue into the overnight hours tonight with temperatures at 61 degrees. Looking at tomorrow's forecast, we can see sunny with a chance of showers. Again, temperatures will cool down just a little bit into the lower 70s. 73 degrees, 54 degrees for the overnight low tomorrow night with mostly clear skies. Let's go ahead here and take a look at the severe weather outlook. So this is today's severe weather outlook. I apologize, the header is not in. I don't know why our system decided to glitch with that. But our severe weather threat is currently in effect. We currently have a slight risk from our East Tennessee forecasting region to parts of our western North Carolina mountains. Today, a marginal is in effect for the rest of the forecasting region, but definitely want to watch out. Damaging winds, large hail, and the isolated tornado threat is all there. So make sure you have ways to receive weather watches and warnings. A smidge of our county coverage area in East Tennessee is under the enhanced risk of 3 out of 5, so definitely want to watch out for that. 2 out of 5 risk for severe weather in our East Tennessee towards our western North Carolina mountains. Let's go here and take a look at the latest tornado outlook. Again, the header's not there. I apologize. Our system glitched. We can see the latest probability about 5 to 9% chance, a greater chance in our East Tennessee region, but there's a possibility of it pushing into our western North Carolina mountains, Piedmont, North Carolina, and our upstate and upstate South Carolina and northeast Georgia areas. We can see there's still an increased threat for our East Tennessee, so definitely want to watch out for that. But the main threat is the wind. That's the main thing that we're seeing with the enhanced risk. We can see outside of our broadcasting area towards Middle Tennessee, right here, you can see out of all a 45 to 59, even 60 plus chance for over 60, 70, possibly even 80 miles per hour. We can see winds of 60, 70, 75 miles per hour possible towards our East Tennessee region, towards Asheville, the metro area, towards Charlotte, Hickory, all of those regions. We could see winds of 55, 65, maybe possibly reaching 70 miles per hour, but that probability is low. So definitely want to watch out if you're in the East Tennessee region. Definitely want to watch out for some very strong to damaging winds. Not just that, the hail threat is still there, about quarter size, probably some ping pong ball size hail is possible towards our East Tennessee region mostly. But definitely want to watch out for that. Definitely you want to make sure you have ways to receive weather watches and warnings. Looking at the 8 to 14 day temperature outlook, however, we're going to see a massive, massive cool down. We've been in the 80s, lower 90s throughout much of the forecasting region here for the last couple of days. But a massive cool down is expected. You could see below average temperatures are possible from our western North Carolina mountains towards our East Tennessee region. So that would possibly be meaning temperatures in the lower to mid 40s, returning back into the forecast with highs in the lower 60s. So if you're happy, if you like cooler temperatures like in the 60s, like in the lower 40s, definitely excited for this weekend because that's when those temperatures will return. Looking at today's maximum temperatures here, it's going to be warm. 82 in Asheville, we can see 86 down towards Greenville Smugsburg. Look at that in Columbia at 92 degrees, 85 in Charlotte, 81 in Hickory, we can see Boone at 72 degrees, 87 in Knoxville, 86 in Gatlinburg, and 88 in Toccoa. Looking at tonight's minimum temperatures here, 61 in Asheville, 66 down towards Greenwood-Spartanburg, 67 in Greenwood. We can see Columbia sitting at 70 degrees as a low, 65 degrees in Charlotte, 61 in Hickory, Boone at 56 degrees. We can see Gatlinburg, 63 in Andrews, 66 in Toccoa, and Athens at 68 degrees. Looking at tomorrow's maximum temperatures here, that's when those temperatures will cool down just a little bit. We're still going to stay in those 70s here. 74 in Asheville, 65 up towards Boone. We can see Knoxville sitting at 73 degrees, 71 degrees in Gatlinburg, 71 in Andrews, 80 in Toccoa, 83 in Athens, 87 in Columbia, 81 in Charlotte, 77 in Hickory, 78 in Winston-Salem, 81 in Greenwood-Spartanburg, 82 in Greenwood, and we can see Mount Airy sitting at 76 degrees. Alright everyone, I'm Chief Weather Forecaster Becca Webb here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Keep it tuned to Highland Weather TV. Your travel forecast is coming up next. Then we'll take a look at the latest local weather recap, where we'll look at the latest updated 7-day forecast. Keep it tuned to Highland Weather TV for the latest information. Again, a weather alert day is currently in effect for today.